Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to autofill serial numbers in Excel in a very fast way. Here I have created an example table and I'm going to show you the traditional way that you used to fill the serial numbers in Excel. You're writing one, I suppose, and then you are dragging down like this and saying from here fill series, and voila, you're filling the series like this, right? But what if you want to fill 10,000 numbers in a row? This is not the right way. So we are coming back once again. We're writing just simply one. And now I'm going to show you how to autofill 10,000 numbers in a row in a very fast way. From home section, we are coming to editing area. And from editing area, we are just clicking fill, drag down menu. And from here, we are selecting series. And from here, we're going to series in, we're going to select columns. And our target was 10,000 from 1 to 10,000, and the step is going to be the value 1 and the stop value is going to be 10,000. We're pressing OK, and as you can see we have 10,000 values like this. Let's go to the last cell, Control and End, and voila, as you can see we have 10,000 numbers in a row in a very fast way. So the video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Until the next one, have a nice day. Bye bye.